So now we are in the examination hall. As discussed, we have seen yesterday new movie or old movie, and now we are in the examination hall, and now we are the hero or heroine of today's movie. Certain things that you should strictly avoid. Number one, you're not going to get the question paper 10-15 minutes before, but you will get your answer sheet. Instead of looking here and there, you can start drawing your format of final accounts. You may solve final accounts problem as the last problem or first problem, that's your choice. Do not waste those 10 minutes. The biggest danger if you don't do this in those 10 minutes is you will keep on wondering, you will keep on looking at some other handsome, beautiful faces in the classroom, and based on their gestures, based on their reaction, you may get excited or get disturbed. Once you get the question paper in your hand, strictly, you will not go through all the questions. I repeat, you will not go through all the questions. If question number 1 is compulsory, which is multiple choice questions, objective type questions, match the following, fill in the blanks, blah blah blah, you should complete that only as a first question, because first half an hour, there's a lot of disturbance in the examination hall. Papers are coming, supplements are thrown upon, the supervisor needs tea, they will come and ask for your signature, they will check your hall ticket, blah blah blah. Plus, in first 10-15 minutes, you may not be at your best level of concentration. It might be a new classroom for you. It might be a new place for you. You may not belong to that place initially in first 10 minutes, right? So those 10-15 minutes you should use only to get rid of these objective type questions. By now you have become serious. You are into the class. You are into your paper. You start your second question, you complete your second question, then go to the third one, then go to the fourth one, go to the fifth one. Now, I am solving question number 2. I am not going to go through all the questions. I am solving question number 2. Question number 2 may either or hai. I read the either part, I did not understand, then only I will go to the or part. When we are making accounts, we are accountants. We have 2 types of books of accounts. One is journal book, the other is ledger book. Most important thing, chapters like admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, death of a partner, dissolution of partnership firm, you should be clear. You should be clear whether you are asked to pass journal entries or you are asked to complete your ledger posting. Standard excuse by the student. Sir, हमको तो लगा ledger posting पूछा. गधड़ा. They never ask you ledger accounts. They always ask you journal entries. So you lost your marks. And then you discover this fact once you are out of the exam. So no, nothing doing. I am not going to get into it. Before I see my question paper, I should be knowing. I have to ask myself whether I have to pass journal entries or I have to do the ledger posting. Now, if you are doing ledger posting, if you are preparing ledger accounts, at the top you must write always name of the account, head of the account in the middle, and at the top you must write doctor and compounder. Now what's doctor compounder? It's not doctor and compounder DR and CR. It's a debit record and credit record. Please make sure that every time when you write the name of the account, you write doctor compounder. Otherwise you lose your marks. One more thing, which is your permanent habit. You believe in rewriting. You write 8. That 8 looks like 6 or what not. And then you realize that it is not looking nice, yeah? So you keep on rewriting. No. Rewriting is strictly prohibited. If you write wrong number or you did not like what you have written, cancel that, use the next line. No rewriting, please. Avoid rewriting. Completely avoid rewriting. All questions should be started properly. All working notes should be attached to that. I am coming with one more video where I am going to discuss in detail for each question how we are going to spend time, how we are going to allocate time, and in that video, on a very serious note, I will tell you question wise what you are supposed to avoid and what you have to be, where you have to be cautious with. Thanks. See you soon. See you immediately.